Now, how do you delete everything on your iPad? Let's get started. And if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, on your iPad, you can check out the general section of your settings and then the iPad storage, and you get to delete like individual things like apps or photos or things that take up a lot of storage like files or whatever. However, if you want to wipe your iPad clean fully and then delete literally everything, you need to be inside of the general section of your settings, and at the bottom we have the transfer or reset iPad button. So you get in there, and at the bottom we have a toggle or button for erasing all content and settings, and this will wipe out your iPad fully. So it's not like you just click it and it just happens, right? You have to confirm it a few times because it's kind of a serious process. So it will let you know that your data, your accounts, and all of the things will be gone, right? So just make sure you continue. You'll likely need to type in your passcode as well as Apple ID password most likely. So it's not like you just click it accidentally, but this is the place or the button you click on, the process you go through when you are, for example, selling the iPad, or if you want to just give it away and you want to just wipe it clean so no personal information stays on that device. So this is what you need to do. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your iPad. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.